Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to get Facebook Blue Verified Badge 2024. Getting a Facebook Blue Tick subscription, also known as verification, is a coveted feature that adds authenticity and credibility to a user's account or page. In the past, only highly reputable people could obtain this verification badge, but now it can be purchased with identity verification. So, your account can become more professional and reliable. With the verification tick that comes with Twitter's Blue feature, Meta Company also offered a Blue Tick subscription. Thus, you can also have a Blue Tick on Facebook with just authentication and monthly fee. Let's discover how to get a Blue Tick subscription on Facebook. First, tap on your profile photo icon. Then, tap the Settings and Privacy. Again, tap on Settings and tap on Meta Verified, and then tap Subscribe button. Enter your information and then complete the payment process. First, what is Facebook verification? You can also know Facebook verification as a blue tick. It refers that getting verification for a Facebook account or page. When you get verified with your Facebook account or page, you will have a blue tick beside the profile to show the other users that your account is authentic. In the past, just celebrities, organizations, and artists. However, after 2018, Facebook announced that individual profiles could get verified when they meet the necessary conditions. In the past, there was a feature called a gray verification badge. This feature was usually for Facebook commercial pages and organization pages, not active in every country. But now, there is no feature like that. Facebook provides many badges now, such as top fan badges. The verification badge differs from others because it is not easy like to get other badges. Facebook verification badge has some requirements to get. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.